Hey guys, welcome back. So this is a watch I've been eyeing for quite a while, and I finally decided to take a plunge and purchase one today. This is the SNXS73K, the made in Malaysia version. I don't really have a silver dial watch in my collection, and it's something I really wanted to explore. Most of my watches have the black dial. I did have an SNKL 41 before, which had a white dial. Beautiful watch, but I found it a little too dressy to be wearing for everyday purposes, and I wanted this to kind of be sort of doing double duty. Not only would it be my dressy piece, but it will also be a good daily wearer if I get a bit bored of my black dial alternatives. So it's a 37mm case, and it comes with a really beautiful sunburst silver dial. Let me just pop this out of the pillow. A reason I was really curious with this piece is it looked a lot like a Rolex Datejust so much. Just the look on the dials, the indices, and the hands. I mean, for the price, it was something I really wanted to explore and check out. I'm probably gonna take it off this stock bracelet, which feels really flimsy, and yeah, the finish doesn't really match up. It's fully brushed where the case is fully polished, so I'm gonna probably switch that out to a leather strap, and I'm gonna use this as my daily wear for the next few weeks. I'm gonna see how it looks, how it feels, how it performs, and I'm gonna come back with a full review probably in a month time. Yeah, probably this might be a good watch to get as you're approaching the festive season, or it could even be a really good watch to give as a gift due to its affordable price tag. And that's about it, guys. So this has been a quick look at the Seiko SNXS73, and I'll be back with a full review in a couple of weeks.